Hello everyone, I am Ashwin from the Department of Civil Engineering, PES College of Engineering, Mandya. In today's lecture, we will be demonstrating tachyometry.
Let us understand what is tachyometry. It is a system of rapid surveying by which the horizontal and vertical positions of points on the Earth's surface relative to one another are determined without using chain or tape or any other kinds of instruments. In the first experiment, we have to determine the tachyometric constants, that is K and C, that is multiplicative constant and additive constant. So to determine this, first we have to set the theodolite at some point and we have to keep the leveling staff at a known distance of D1, that is at point A. Observing from the theodolite to the leveling staff kept at A, take the upper hair reading and lower hair reading. The difference of the two will give us S1. So similarly, now keep the leveling staff at a known distance D2, that is at point B. Here also measure the upper and lower hair readings and get S2. Also, you have to note here that the line of sight should be horizontal, that is the vertical angle of the theodolite should be 0. Now, from the experiment we have obtained staff intercepts S1, S2 and we know the distances D1 and D2. Now with the help of the equation D1 is equal to Ks1 plus C and D2 is equal to Ks2 plus C, we can calculate K and C. In the next experiment, from the constants which we have already determined, we are going to determine the horizontal and vertical distances from tachyometry. The expressions used are D is equal to Ks cos square theta plus C cos theta and V is equal to Ks sin 2 theta by 2 plus C sin theta. You have to note here that if you are using analytic lens, the constants K will be equal to 100 and C is equal to 0 always. Now coming back to our experiment. So first let us set our instrument at O. So in this problem, if we see the line of sight, if it is horizontal, then it is not possible to determine the horizontal distance D, correct? Because we cannot keep the staff there to get the staff intercept values. Now in this case, we have to make the axis inclined. So in this case, what we will do is, we will incline the telescope to bisect the object, and again in the same manner we will record the staff intercept S and also note down the vertical angle theta. Now from the field observations we have got the values of S, that is the staff intercept, and also theta, that is the vertical angle which is bisecting the object. Now by using these two values, and also we have also calculated the multiplicative and additive constants, and we will substitute that in this formula to find out the horizontal and vertical distances, that is D and V. Now we have set up the theodolite station at this point, and on the ground we have marked the 5 meter and similarly 10 meter points, that is two distances we have marked, that is D1 and D2 is known to us. Now we will keep the staffs at the known distances, that is at D1 5 meter and D2 10 meters. We will take the staff readings, that is upper and lower staff readings at both points 5 meter and 10 meters. Like this, we are going to keep the staff at 5 meter and 10 meter points, and we will note down the upper and lower crosshair readings, that is as shown here. See here from the observation we are getting the values D1 is equal to 5 meters, D2 is equal to 10 meters, and S1 upper crosshair reading is 1.440 and lower crosshair reading is 1.39. The difference of which is 0.05 is the staff intercept S1, that is at D1, at a distance D1. Similarly, S2 is equal to 1.35, that is upper, and 1.25 lower, the difference is 0.1. Now we will substitute these values in this expression here. D1 is equal to Ks1 plus C and D2 is equal to Ks2 plus C, and you'll get two equations, and if you solve these two simultaneous equations, you'll get the tachyometric constants, that is multiplicative constant K is equal to 100 and additive constant C is equal to 0. Now let's move on to the next experiment, wherein we'll have to determine the horizontal and vertical distance of an
object, and if due to some reasons or if the object is in a elevated point, we cannot measure the distances by horizontal line of sight, right? So in that case we can tilt the telescope such that the object is visible and note down the vertical angle made by the telescope, that is theta. And also we can determine the height and distance, horizontal distance, by this expression. Let's concentrate here. So this in this diagram I am showing you the theodolite station and the object, and the staff intercept S is determined, that is the difference between the upper and lower crosshairs, and also we are noting down theta, that is the vertical angle, right? The K and C values have already determined, that is 100 and 0. We have to determine theta here, S. Once we get those two values from the site, we can use these expressions, that is d is equal to ks cos square theta plus c cos theta, and v is equal to k sin 2 theta by 2 plus c sin theta, to determine the horizontal as well as vertical distances. Thank you.